Welcome to the first lecture of the Redash Master Dashboard SQL and on-premises deployment. In this video, we are going to understand what Redash is, why it exists, and why it continue to be the preferred BI tool for on-premises and self-hosted analytics environment. Even today, by the end of this lecture, you will clearly understand Redash purpose, key strength, architecture, and how organization use it in real world deployments. Let's begin. Redash is an open source business intelligence and data visualization tool that allows anyone, data engineer, analyst, and developer to query data, build dashboard, and share insight quickly. You can think of Redash as a lightweight, fast, and developer friendly alternative to heavy BI tools like Tableau or Power BI, especially for team working with data sets, databases, data warehouse, or APIs. Redash provides three core capabilities: query data from multiple sources using SQL, visualize data with charts, tables, and dashboards, sharing insight using dashboard alerts and embeds. It designs around simplicity, no complex drag and drop interface, no heavy server requirement, just simple SQL, result, and visualization. So, what makes Redash special? Let's break down its strength. Lightweight and extremely fast. Redash is easy to deploy and does not require heavy hardware. It works incredibly well in resource constraints on premises environment. Built for SQL user. If your team is comfortable with SQL, Redash feels natural. You write a query, visualize, save, and share. Third is support 30 plus data sources from PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle, BigQuery, Athena, Elasticsearch to REST API. Redash connects to almost anything. Fourth, ideal for self-host and private deployments. Some industry cannot use cloud BI due to compliance. Redash shines here because it can run behind your firewall. Fifth, simple, clean, and open source. No vendor lock in, full control, transparent architecture, perfect for organization that prefer flexibility and cost efficiency. Redash is widely used in telecom and BFSI, that is business, finance service, and insurance, where data privacy is critical and cloud BI is not allowed. Dashboard run on premises and query run directly inside secure networks. Second, startup with engineering heavy teams. Developer love Redash because it is a SQL centric and GitHub like. Third is data engineering teams. Redash is great for validating ETL pipelines, monitoring data quality, exposing dataset to analyst. Fourth is enterprise with mixed environment. Redash sit on top of multiple database and offers a unified dashboard layer. Fifth, self-hosted distributed system. Kafka, Spark, Elasticsearch, Cluster, Redash connects easily. Organization chooses Redash because it keeps data inside your own infrastructure while offering fast dashboarding capabilities. Let's talk specifically about on premises use cases. First, no cloud dependency. Redash runs completely within your data center or private cloud. Perfect for security critical sector. Second, easy to deploy with Docker. Even a small team can deploy Redash in minutes using Docker Compose. Run hardware requirement. Run smoothly on tiny virtual machine, 2 core, 4 to 8 GB RAM, small Postgres instance. Full control over data, log and authentication. That is the fourth one. You control storage, queries, user permission, logs, everything. Fifth is support scaling. You can scale worker, schedule queries, dashboard, ideal for moderate to large on-premises deployments. Let's break down Redash architecture at a high level. Redash consists of five main components. Web server, the UI where you write queries, manage dashboard and configure setting. Second is worker, execute queries asynchronously using Celery and Redis. Third is Redis, message broker to manage background task and query execution. Fourth is PostgreSQL, stores query, visualization, user, dashboard, configuration. Fifth is data sources. External system you connect to MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, MongoDB, Elasticsearch, and many others. How it works. User submits a query to web server. Query metadata goes to PostgreSQL. Worker picks up query via Redis. Worker connects to actual data source. Results stored in PostgreSQL. UI fetches and visualize results. This separation ensures Redash performs well even with heavy query workloads. That's the complete introduction to Redash. What it is, why it exists, and why it's an excellent choice for SQL driven self hosted analytics.